So everyone's immune system is so different. We know very little about the brain, very little about the immune system, very little about the biosphere in the gut. We're just now learning. And as we learn about these things, different truths come out. So what we've seen here in this study, these two studies, you can definitely say a couple things. There's definitely a risk for viral interventions. And the risks seem to be greater in some people more than others. Here we have two studies that show that after these viral interventions in some, the immune system is definitely weaker, making them more susceptible to infections. But not only this, any antigen or foreign body, if you're not sending out the fighter cells to shoot it, if you have weaker guys that just hit it on the head, the immune system is going to be weaker to anti-antigen. And some of these other antigens that they suggested was the antigens that are associated with cancer. The immune system normally able to beat that down, maybe not work as well. These other autoimmune self-body, normally the body can beat it down, but when the class switching changes, when this tolerance occurs, then all of a sudden the immune system's just not as good. And some people are genetically, they just have weak immune systems to begin with, and they're even more susceptible to these type of problems. Now, that's one important point. Two, more and more studies are being released now. The HHS, has changed funding. So they're not funding as many things as they did. So the different types of studies being released and censorship is going down. They've recently cut $11 billion. So some of the stuff that used to get through is not getting through and vice versa. So the landscape is changing. We're seeing more of studies coming forward that show some of the risk that might have been suppressed. Some people censored this in the past. So things are changing under the new administration. So I just wanted to share this with you so you would have a greater knowledge and let you know that, people have had some damage from these viral interventions that's gone on. And here's two studies that sort of back those up. And I've been reading, our landscape is changing now. But we need to continue to love each other. We need to continue to seek wisdom. And in James it says, but the wisdom that is from above is first pure, peaceable, gentle, willing to yield, full of mercy and good fruits, without partiality and without hypocrisy. So we can trust the truths in the Bible above everything else. We have to have a true north, an owner's manual, a source of truth that we can use as our lens to judge scientific studies, what people tell us, and everything else that's going on. So please share this with your friends and neighbors. Many of you know a lot more about this than I do. Please leave your comments and experiences below as it helps other people. I'm going to be back soon with yet another biblical prescription for life.